Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install WordPress in subdomain. I have already created a subdomain in Godaddy. You can watch my previous video where I have shown how to create a subdomain in Godaddy. So ads is my subdomain. I will install WordPress in this subdomain. As of now you can see there is a forbidden message showing. So let's start to install WordPress in this subdomain. So I am going in my Godaddy account. In my products, come to the web hosting section, click on manage. Then click on cpanel admin. In the cpanel dashboard, come to the software section and click on install add-on application installer. Now click on application browser. Come down, you will see WordPress. Click on WordPress. Here you will see install this application. Click on this. So now you will see where to install. It is showing a domain name, so I want to install in subdomain. So ads.tutorials4.com is my subdomain. So click on that. I am removing the directory, so it will install in the ads.tutorials4.com folder. These are the default options. Select what you want from these options and give the credentials, username and password and email address. Click on install. It will take some time to install the files and directories in the subdomain. So the installation has completed. Now come to the URL and click on refresh. You can see that WordPress has been installed in my subdomain. This is how we can install WordPress in subdomain. Hope you like this video. Please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.